This gorgeous custom home offers spectacular views from Mount Hood to the Coast Range. It's located on a quiet cul-de-sac in a sought-after Happy Valley neighborhood where you'll enjoy beautiful sunrises and sunsets. Discover superior craftsmanship and attention to detail from the solid hardwood floors to the extensive use of rock, granite, travertine, and ceramic tile. From your expansive deck, take in the colors of the changing seasons and Mount Hood views. The chef's kitchen features an elegant island, decorative backsplash, handsome cabinetry, stainless appliances, and an oversized pantry. No detail is overlooked, from the butler's pantry to the custom millwork. Italian influences add a warm and unique ambiance to this beautifully crafted home. The main level master suite has a romantic fireplace and direct access to the deck. Escape to the inviting master bath, where it's easy to relax and unwind. The expansive lower level includes a huge family room with a fireplace and an impressive wet bar. Whether you need private office space, an exercise room, or a separate living area, you'll find it all in this home of more than 4,000 square feet. It even includes a custom dog kennel inside and out. A lower-level deck and patio are perfect for year-round entertaining. Enjoy walking paths to city amenities, local neighborhoods, and playgrounds. A rare find, you'll find it all here on Jubilee Street in Happy Valley. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Erin Warren with Premier Property Group at 503-319-0490.